My name is Neil. I'm a patient here at Dee For Dentist. I just had my second Soleil sleep procedure. Since my first one, which occurred in October, I have lost 18 pounds. Basically, I attribute that to, of course, clean living, but also I used to get up every night. And then because I snore, I wake myself up. Then I would go downstairs and basically watch TV, eat something, and then fall asleep on the couch. It doesn't help my other health issues, but ever since I've had this, I have maybe gone downstairs twice. I sleep through the night. My wife says I don't snore. Yeah, and I've lost 18 pounds. So very happy here. And this is thank you, Dr. Montero, and thank you, Dee For Dentist.